Do you have dreams of a vacation, a new car, or just financial freedom? Plan it out. How much do you need to save from your side hustle each month to get there? Break it down and make it happen. Remember, a side hustle isn't just about the money. It's about pursuing your passion, building something of your own. It's about legacy, purpose, and fulfillment. You're the CEO of your life. Adopt that entrepreneurial mindset, goals, crush, and then set higher ones. Always learn, grow, and evolve because life is too short to play small. Aim for the sky. You want to make 1 million? Go for it. Every day is a chance to get closer to your goal. Remember, success is a journey, not the destination. All right, guys, it's time to turn those side hustles into dreams and reality. You got the roadmap. Now it's time to drive. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. I'm right here cheering you on every step of the way. So let's make it happen. Stay motivated, stay focused, and let's crush those goals together. Remember, hit that like button and subscribe button for more power-packed motivation and strategies to win in life. Until next time, keep hustling and stay unstoppable. Have a great